Fiber connector contamination is one of the main contributors to poor network performance. Dust, dirt, oils and moisture can easily spread as connectors come into contact, causing network losses. These contaminated connectors are often disconnected and reconnected, becoming damaged, leading to system failures and costly remedial work. So why choose one-click cleaners? Customers choose one-click cleaners because they clean the ferrule end face of a connector in or out of bulkhead adapters. A simple push motion provides a controlled and consistent clean for all users. And one-clicks offer a low cost of clean and a significant time advantage over alternative products on the market such as sticks and cassettes. 4 model options are available for 2.5mm connectors. The Standard offers extended reach with 500 cleaning cycles. The Ultra has a larger contact area, and the Minis provide an option for those working in tight spaces, available with either 500 or 100 cleans. There is also an option for 2mm SMPTE 304M connectors used in broadcast applications. A further 4 models are available for cleaning MU and LC connectors. The Standard again offers extended reach with 500 cleaning cycles. The Duplex cleans 2 LCs simultaneously, and the Minis offer either 500 or 100 cleans. There is also an option for cleaning Huber and Sunazodi C connector used in fiber to the antenna applications. To complete the range, 3 models are available for cleaning multi-fiber connectors. An MPO MTP for both 12 and 16 fiber connector configurations, and an option for MTRJ connectors found in some older fiber to the desk applications.